What's up, guys? I'm back from my little 2-week hiatus, and it's December. It's that time of the month. It's time for the Sketchbox Challenge. And guess what? I got a fresh new Sketchbox right here. Let's get into the challenge. Let's see what's inside. Hopefully I make something dope. You never know. Let's go. Alright guys, we're not even going to waste time. We're going to get right into this Sketchbox. We're going to see what comes with it. So first let me, I gotta find my unboxing blade knife thing. You know what I need. So let me get that, and then let's cut this open and let's see what's inside this box. Haha, got the blade. Alright, let's see what's inside this box. What does Sketchbox have to offer? Hell. First off, kudos to Sketchbox. This box wasn't half destroyed like the last two. I'm really glad about that, but that's beside the point. So first things first, hey, check this out. Oh, hold on. Ooh, check that out. Sketchbox paper comes wrapped now in Sketchbox paper. Alright, Sketchbox, I see you. I see you. The glow up. The glow up. Alright, what's in this box? Alright, so we got the usual flyers and let's see. Oh, Strathmore Bristol board. Alright. Strathmore Bristol board. Ooh. Copic paper selections. Alright, let's see where you're going. I see where you're going, guys. And now we've got Sketchbox signature brush marker. Another Sketchbox signature brush marker. This is a deleter brush marker of some sort. Okay, can't wait to try that one out. This is another one from Deleter. A lot of markers, of course. Ooh, Spanish olive from Copic. Alright. Oh, this should be nice. This is a nice looking pen, a brush pen of some sort. And ooh, got another Copic, and this is a neutral gray N4. Alright. So, and of course, Sketchbox sticker. Alright, so if you guys don't know, the Sketchbox Challenge is, I have a subscription to this service called Sketchbox. What they do is they put different items for artists into a mystery box and they send it out every month. I get this box every month, open it up on camera for you guys to see, and then we look inside, we see what's inside the box. And the challenge is, I'm going to do a work of art using only what's inside the box. So now that I've unboxed it and we see what everything is, let's try to knock some dope art out using what's inside the box. Now, I always reserve the caveat if I want to use a pencil and they didn't put a pencil in there. I'm gonna use a pencil just to make sure the art looks somewhat decent. But for the most part, we're using everything that's inside the box. Let's get set up so we can create something cool from what was inside that cool December Sketchbox. All right, let's get into it. guys, so overall, really good episode of the Sketchbox Challenge. Let's get into my thoughts. So, disclaimer, I'm about to disqualify a couple things here because I've already reviewed them. Number one, the Strathmore Bristol board. We've talked about it, don't need to talk about it anymore. Same thing goes for these Copic markers and the Sketchbox Signature Series markers. We've already talked about those, so you already know they're a go. So that leaves these Deleter Neo Pico Color Brush and Fine Tip markers, and they're good markers. Yeah, no complaints. The orange is nice and bright on this this orange. It actually, the cap is misleading. It makes the orange look duller than it actually showed up on the paper. I thought that was kind of weird, but the orange, the color itself, really pops on this paper. So no complaints there. Same thing with this green. The cap makes it look a little duller. I don't know, maybe it's just the plastic molding. Who knows? But yeah, the colors are really nice. The brush works really nice. I didn't use the fine tip, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty good too, because this seems like a pretty high quality pen slash marker, brush, pen, whatever you want to call these things. So these are pretty good. Now the Sketchbox Signature Series fine liner, well, brush pen, I guess this would be. I like it. I'm not crazy about it, but I do like it. It's pretty unremarkable, I guess. The only thing I really would say is that the brush nib is a little bit harder. It's not as soft and as pliable as other brush markers that I've used, or brush pens that I've used. So that took a little getting used to. It's a lot stiffer. It didn't have that bend like maybe the Tombow or even my Pentel brush pen. So it's still a good brush pen, and it's a great ink, perfectly fine. If you guys get this, you're not going to be mad at all. This is a good one. It's just not, I'm not used to it. I think I need them with a little bit more give than this one gave me, but that's just a personal preference. It has nothing to do with the quality of the product. The Sketchbox Signature Series brush pen, yeah, you need to get that one. Now let's get to the star of the show. And the unmitigated star of this show is this Copic paper sampler that I got that came in Sketchbox. Yeah, so it's Copic Paper Selections, premium bond paper, acid free. I don't know what the .200 means or anything like that, but you know, this is probably some cool Copic stuff. This stuff right here really is good. Now the only thing is, it looks like the Signature Series from the Sketchbox marker had a little bleed through, so that's interesting. But that's Sketchbox Signature Series seems to be a little heavy anyway, so I don't know if that's indicative, because the Copic markers didn't bleed through and the Deleter pens didn't bleed through. So it was only the purple from the Sketchbox Signature Series that bled through to the page below. Other than that, it's a nice, smooth, thick, very thick paper. Nice grade of paper. Smooth, gives a nice smooth surface. So I think if you were to get this as a marker paper, I would suggest probably using it exclusively with Copic markers, because of course it's made by Copic, so it's made to work with Copic markers. That seems to be where it performed the best. Other markers may have bleed through issues, so you may get that. But this is a nice little creative sketch pad that you can come up with, or work with. So yeah, definitely this is a go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please be the cool person to give it the big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We love to grow the community even more. And everybody, well, besides subscribe, like, and share, everybody, please hit that bell icon. That lets you know when I upload a new video every week. We'll be back on our regular schedule now, so look for videos every Monday and Friday. The Foresight Studio website is up, so it's www.foresight.com, and that's where you can go and you can order books, prints, original artwork, and coming soon, merch. So that's up and going. Go right over to www.foresightstudio.com. It'll be in the eye above my head or something like that. Now, if you guys want to get a hold of me, you can always get a hold of me on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. My Facebook fan page is David Gordon 72, and my TikTok is David Gordon 72. We have a Patreon, so if you want to support the channel, please go ahead and support the channel. Patreon DKG 72 makes comics. This is the video before Christmas, and my next video will be after Christmas. I got something special planned for you guys. Just want to tell you guys it's been great to be back creating videos and putting out content for you. I really enjoy the comments, compliments, critiques, everything. You guys are the best. Love you guys. We've got 500 subscribers. It doesn't seem like a lot, but trust me, for a little guy like me, 500 people checking me out is amazing. So I hope you guys had a great year, and hope you guys have a great new year. I will be back before the new year with 2 more videos. One Friday and then one Monday before the new year. And just Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy your family. Tell your loved ones you love them. All right, enough mushy stuff. I'm out. Peace.